Hi everyone, this is Kelsey at the OWL Library System. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your default font for Google Docs and Microsoft Word, so that every time you open a new document, it will already be set to your preferred font. Word makes it really easy to change your default font. To do that, make sure you're in the Home section of the ribbon, and where it says Font, we want to click on this little box with an arrow next to it. Now we need to select the font that we want to use for our default. You can either type the font into this box here, or you can use the scroll bar and the arrows to go through this alphabetical list of fonts on your computer. So I'm going to choose Times New Roman because that's the standard for business documents. And then for font style, I usually leave it on regular because you can always make certain words italic or bold while you're editing your document. And then for font size, I prefer size 12. Again, that's generally the standard for business documents. Font color, I leave to automatic. Underline style, I leave to none because again, you can underline words while you're editing your document. And the same thing goes for effects. If you wanted to add a strike through or make certain words or numbers superscript or subscript, you can always do that while you're editing your document. Below the effects, we have this preview area, and this shows you what the font will look like. So if it looks okay to you, instead of clicking OK, we're actually going to click Set as Default. And this new box will open up on top of the font box. And we want to select the second option, all documents based on the normal template. So click OK. And that's all there is to it. Now when I open up a new blank document in Microsoft Word, it should apply Times New Roman size 12 as my default font. The process to change the default font for Google Docs is a little bit more involved, but it still can be accomplished in 3 to 4 clicks. The first thing you want to do is open up a new Google Doc and type something. It can be as simple as hello. Then highlight the text and use the font selector to choose the font you want to be your default, and adjust the size as well. With the text still highlighted, click where it says Normal Text, hover your mouse over Normal Text, and then choose Update Normal Text to match. Next, we're going to click on Normal Text again, and this time go down to Options, and then click Save as My Default Styles. And the next time you open a new Google Doc, it should use the font you selected during this process.